Hey everyone, I'm Alex from Mold Busters. Today, let's talk about a cleaning trend that's gone viral online, Kate, but it's secretly causing big trouble in North American homes.
It's called Mexican mopping days. People pour tons of soapy water all over their floors for that deep, clean shine you see on social media.
Now here's the thing, Trent. In many Mexican homes, floors are made of solid concrete and include drains, so all that water just flows away safely.
But in homes like ours, floors are made of laminate, vinyl, or wood, and there are no drains. That water has nowhere to go.
We've seen cases where just 1 or 2 deep clean sessions turned entire rooms into mold hotspots, especially black mold under floors.
That excess water can create serious mold growth underneath your floors, hidden until it's too late.
Don't wait. Visit bustmold.com to book a professional inspection today.